Dreaming of exploring Europe in 2025, but worried it'll drain your wallet? What if I told you that you could sip coffee in Paris, island hop in Greece, and ride trains through the Alps, all on a budget that actually makes sense? Hey everyone, I'm Garabi TV, your travel expert with over 10 years of exploring Europe on a shoestring. Today I'm sharing my best budget travel tips for Europe in 2025, so you can see more, spend less, and make every adventure unforgettable. Let's go! Europe doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, with the right strategies, it can be surprisingly affordable. First tip, avoid the summer rush. Peak season, June to August, can triple prices and pack every street. Instead, travel in spring, April, May, or fall, September, October. You'll save big on flights and accommodation and enjoy a much more authentic vibe. And here's a bonus hack. Flying or taking trains midweek, usually Tuesday or Wednesday, can save you up to 40% compared to weekends. In 2025, budget airlines like Ryanair, Wizz Air, and Vueling are still king for hopping around Europe cheaply. But here's what most people miss. Start your trip in a major budget hub. Think Barcelona, Berlin, or Warsaw. Flights into these cities are often significantly cheaper than Paris or London. Once you're there, use short-haul flights or buses to connect elsewhere. Hotels can eat up your budget fast. Instead, consider hostels, guest houses, or even house-sitting gigs. Websites like Hostelworld, Couchsurfing, and Trusted House Sitters make it easy. And if you're traveling with friends, short-term apartment rentals can be even cheaper per person, plus, you can cook your own meals to save even more. Public transport is your best friend in Europe. Most cities offer daily or weekly passes that can save you a ton. For example, in Lisbon, a 24-hour metro pass is just around €6.80 and includes trams and funiculars. Or go even cheaper, walk and rent bikes. Many European cities are incredibly pedestrian-friendly and safe for cyclists. Forget overpriced tourist restaurants. Try local markets, street food stalls, and bakeries. You'll not only save money but get a true taste of the culture. Pro tip: look for Menu del Dia in Spain or Plat du Jour in France. Fixed lunch menus can be as cheap as €10, €12, and include multiple courses. There's a ton you can do for free. Join free walking tours. They're everywhere now, from Prague to Porto. Check museums' websites. Many offer free entry on certain days or evenings. And don't forget public events and festivals. You might stumble into free concerts, art shows, or street performances. If you're planning to visit multiple countries, consider a Eurail or Interrail pass, but only if you'll be doing long distances frequently. Otherwise, individual regional tickets or budget buses like Flixbus are often much cheaper. Plan your route carefully and book in advance to lock in the best deals. Last but not least, stay flexible. Prices can change daily. Sometimes a last-minute train or a spontaneous route change can lead you to unexpected adventures and hidden gems, all while saving you money. In 2025, flexibility is your ultimate superpower as a budget traveler. Europe doesn't have to be a luxury-only destination. With these tips, you can stretch your budget and still experience it all. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks and city guides. Comment below. Which European country is at the top of your 2025 travel list? I can't wait to read your plans. Thanks for watching, and see you on the road.